So I just wanted to talk a little bit about Botox or neurotoxin, some myths surrounding this treatment because it is really the most commonly received treatment in the aesthetic field. So there's often misconceptions about it. So just wanted to touch on a few of those. So first and foremost, there's the myth that Botox can make you expressionless and have a frozen look. So you'll look very unnatural. You won't be able to move anything. While that can be true if it's given to you by an experienced qualified provider, knowing where exactly to inject and the right dosing, it's certainly possible to achieve a more natural look. Another myth is that Botox is only used for wrinkles. Well, it's certainly an anti-wrinkle treatment, but the way it works is that it can also help prevent sweating in certain areas for people who struggle with hyperhidrosis. It can help with migraine, headaches, or like teeth grinding or clenching, and just general facial reshaping. A common one could be even for like a downturned smile. If you put some Botox around here, then you don't have that we call RBF anymore. I know about that one. Another myth is that it's very painful. It's not very painful. Might feel like a little pinch, very brief. Again, if it hurts at all, it's very quick, but it's really not painful at all. If you needed topical numbing medicine though, that's probably something that you'd be able to get, but you shouldn't need it. Myth number 4, Botox is toxic. It's in the name, and dangerous. So Botox is a form of botulinum toxin, but it's really not been shown to be dangerous. And in fact, there's very few safety concerns with it. And let's round it out with myth number 5, that if you stop getting Botox, your wrinkles are gonna come back even worse than they were before, and therefore you're gonna have to keep getting it. Well, that's not really true. I mean, you don't need to keep getting it, but of course, it's temporary. It can last on average maybe 3 to 4 months, though which type, and every patient's different. But when it wears off, your wrinkles will come back, and as you continue with the aging process, they may become more prominent. And so it's not that stopping Botox is making your wrinkles worse, but yes, they will come back again. But a lot of people like to maintain so that they don't have to worry about that. So, any other questions?